watching that show, and that's
disgusting.
Nick, I know. I'm already working on it.
But why can't I beat the common cold? Thanks, Dad.
Okay, Candace. Looks like it's up to you.
You take your revolting germs and get out of my laboratory. You are infecting my whole lab.
I've managed to isolate the virus, but it doesn't conform to any virus ever documented. I believe it's a new strain. Yeah, have a look.
Well, I thought I heard Chris say he was going to pull the fire alarm, but maybe I'm just imagining it. Okay, well, I hope you're just imagining it.
All right, guys. It seems like we have a fire.
That's disgusting. That's disgusting. That's disgusting. That's disgusting.